Learn how to read, write, and communicate in Hausa language like a native speaker wherever you are around the world. Through the program, teach yourself Hausa language, coming to you from Rumbun Ilimi with me, Abubakar Muhammad Tsangarwa. Darasi na 36. Gina jimla. Kalmomi: asibiti, hospital, maras lafiya, patient, likita, doctor, allura, injection, magani, medicine, kwayar magani, tablet, magani na ruwa, syrup, rashin lafiya ko cuta ko jinya, sickness or disease, ma'aikacin jinya, nurse, samun sauki, recovering. Misalai a cikin jimla. Examples in sentences. Zan je asibiti. I will go to hospital. Domin duba maras lafiya. To visit a patient. Likita ya rubuta masa magani. The doctor prescribed some medicine for him. Maganin ya kunshi kwayoyi da na ruwa. The medicine consists of syrup and tablets. Ma'aikacin jinya ya yi masa allura. The nurse gave him an injection. Yana samun sauki daga cutar. He is recovering from the sickness. My good student, thank you for joining this class. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe the channel, like and share it to make it more beneficial to many people around the world. Remember to visit https://lumbunilimi.com.ng or click the link below this video to download the exercises pages. Goodbye and see you in the next class.